Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, we have been showing you a single indicator in all the markets, especially in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Commodity and Forex market. And daily we are showing you Nifty and Bank Nifty for the consistency, because one day it may give the profit, another day it may give loss. But our indicator, if you see our YouTube channel, we have been releasing the videos on the same script every day. If 1 or 2 days missed for releasing the videos, we are showing you a 1 week result in a single video. So last video was our continuous profits showing video in Tamil. So today I will be releasing the same concept on how to use our MST iCore indicator and iTrend indicator without fear. So now let us take the Nifty. Say I have to go to the TradingView platform and you have to subscribe our indicator. This is not the free indicator. It is available based on the subscription. And we are giving up to 90% discount for the higher validity plans. Okay. And these are the things about the MST iCore. Now let us see what is this MST iCore indicator. This indicator is not a one night rich making indicator. So this is not for the people who wants to gamble in the market. This is for the people who wants to consider this trading as a business. Okay. What is a business? You all know you will have to invest a amount. You will have to make a infrastructure. Then you have to arrange things so that the customers will come and buy something from you. And after 1 month or 3 months, you will be getting the profit. If you are investing a 5 lakh and you may expect a profit of 10,000 to 50,000 in a month. So maximum 10% is applicable in any business. Even getting a 10% profit in a business is a tedious task, as you all know. Whereas if you are into trading, the maximum possibility is even every day you can make 10% profit. Even if you cannot make 10%, at least you can make 5% or even 1% you can make profit in the market. Even if you are making 1% in a day, for 22 days it becomes 22%, which no business ever gives you. So by having all these thoughts in your mind, you have to start trading. If you are starting the trading with 10,000 rupees capital and if you want to make 10,000 rupees every day, I am sure that you will never make a successful trader in this market and you will always lose from the market. So if you want to start a trading, consider this as a business and you have to bring a sufficient capital so that you can make a profit from this market. So keep this in mind. Always you have to keep this in mind. And before we start the trade, we have to have one system. What is the system? The market starts by 9:15 and ends by 3:30. Within that, I have to do one trading. Only if so and so conditions are met, I will be into trading. If no conditions is applicable, then I will not go for trading for the day. It is not compulsory for the trader to trade every day. It is compulsory for a trader to be a profitable trader in a month. So you have to calculate the profit and loss overall in a month, not for every trade. And whatever trade you are taking, you have to make one journal. What is a journal? You have to keep writing in a diary. Even if you search in Google Play or App Store, you will get trading journal free apps also. So today what trade you have taken, why you have taken, on what basis you have taken, when you have exited, when you have booked a loss, when you have taken the reversal entry, all those things you have to write every day for every trade. And consider that you have to make only profitable trading in the market, so you don't have to trade in all the scripts which are available in the market. You don't have to trade in all the markets like NSE, BSE, MCX or Forex. So stick to any one market, stick to any one script and keep trading on the same script. Then only you will become an expert of that script. So these are the basic prerequisite before you start trading, keep in mind. So now my reference preferable script of trading is Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty I will be showing you now. So go to the trading view and select Nifty, Nifty, Nifty. Just click on it and expand the chart. You can keep in any time frame, 1 minute time frame, 2 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. That is up to you. But again, if you are trading in 1 minute time frame, stick to that 1 minute time frame. If you are trading in 5 minutes time frame, stick to that 5 minutes time frame. Don't keep on changing the time frame. Any one you have to trade. Next one, what we are going to do in our indicator, since we are trading a higher valued script like Nifty, see the value of the Nifty is 25,000 plus. The value of the Bank Nifty is 50,000 or it's trading around 60,000. So if you are keeping in default mode, that is in tiny, the range between the buy entry and the stop loss, or the sell entry or the stop loss. So the range is very high. Suppose after taking the trade, if you don't get the profit, if it is going against your prediction, then what will happen? You will have to lose more in the market. To avoid that, what we are doing, we are making two things very clearly. First one, immediately after choosing the script, you have to select the stop loss and target. Stop loss and target. If you are trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Banks and all, you have to keep the stop loss to tiny 2. So here you can see tiny 2 and target also tiny 2. These are the two things first you have to do once the market has opened. And second thing, if market has opened, either it will go upside or downside. Two things will happen, or it will be in the range market. Okay, now what we will be doing, we will wait for the market to settle down for few minutes once the market has opened. Then if market is going upper side, we will be getting that supply zone at the top. Here what is supply zone? The top blue color and top red color is our supply zone. At the bottom we are seeing one demand zone at the bottom, one blue line and one red line. So at the bottom, blue line is labeled as buy, first buy. That is the entry point. And the second line is the red line, that is the stop loss for the first buy. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. If a sell hit, we will go for the reversal entry, 1 day, 1 trade. This is our slogan for getting the success in the market. So see yesterday's scenario, it has come down to our buy zone, buy got activated. Once buy or sell is activated, what we are supposed to do, go to the settings. If buy activated, remove the sell. If sell activated, remove the buy. If buy activated, enable the buy targets, also enable the second sell targets. Why? If buy activated, if it is moving in our favor, it is well and good. You can book the profit and you can exit. If sell activated, if it is moving in our favor, it is well and good. We can book the profit and we can exit. Suppose if it is not moving in our favor, if it is going against our prediction, then we have to reverse our trade. If buy activated, the second sell will be our stop loss. If buy side SL hit, then we have to reverse the trade and the second sell entry point will become our second sell entry and the first buy entry point will become the stop loss for the second sell entry. Okay, fortunately yesterday as usual, after hitting our buy entry, our all targets has been achieved. Here one thing you can note here, exactly it has not touched our buy entry yesterday, only yesterday. Okay, the low made was 25,45494. Okay, and our entry point is 25,491.51. So if it is rounded, 492. Only 2 points we missed. 2 points we missed. But if in such cases, what you can do, the next candle, okay, after the once it is not touching, the next candle we can go for the buy entry. So this is in case of Nifty. Let us see what happened previous day. Previous day I will explain again by keeping in the default mode. Previous day what happened? The sell entry was at 25,777.79. So 777 or 778. This area. I was releasing a video for this session previous day. See, when once the price is reaching either to our supply zone or our demand zone, what we have to look upon? The first thing, look at the candle, whether it is breaking this supply zone, whether it is breaking the demand zone, or it is reversing. If it is breaking, what it means, it has full power, full strength. That time we should not enter. When it is getting rejection, that means we are getting an opportunity to enter into the market. See this candle at 10:11, it is having full strength. No red candle is formed. It is having full strength and it is trying to break the supply zone. It is trying to break the supply zone. And if you look at the previous candles, it is showing higher high. It means the possibility of hitting SL is more. I don't say for every trade you have to look at this higher high, higher low, lower low and all. But to avoid loss, since market has opened gap up and market sentiment is in bullish, so in such case, immediately we should not enter into the sell entry. Similarly, if market sentiment, overall sentiment is bearish, then go for the buy entry immediately. Instead, wait for one confirmation. What is that confirmation? This is that confirmation. Once we are going for the sell entry, when previous trend is full of buy, that full of bullish trend, look at the candle which is breaking the supply zone. If it is having bigger body, green candle, then wait for one candle to close below the sell zone and low of that candle is broken, then you can go for the sell entry. So yesterday, first scenario, once it is touching, we are going for the entry. But now we are reconsidering the immediate entry method. Instead of that, we will be going for the one confirmation, that is one red candle should close below the sell entry, then we will go for the sell entry. So the sell entry is invalid, we are not taking. Even if you are taking, what happened? SL will be hit, you will be in loss. What we are suggesting, once SL is hit, you have to go for the second buy entry, that is the reversal entry. For reversal entry also, what we are supposed to do, let one candle close above the second buy entry point. Okay, which means 10:16 is our confirmation candle. So once the high of that candle is broken, go for the sell entry. Now see what has happened. I will enable the first sell targets as well as second buy targets. So in first buy, we got SL hit. If you are not following that confirmation method, if you are going for a immediate method, then SL hit. Then second buy, two targets has been hit. So after that, we are not going to consider any trade. Whether it is going in our favor, it is going after against our favor, we are not considering. Once for the first entry, we are considering. Then previous day, what has happened? See, the previous day exactly buy got activated. Here, the low and our entry point is the same. Okay, first one candle has closed above and high of that candle is broken and all the targets has been achieved. That is previous day. And previous day, sell got activated and all the targets has been achieved. So like this, you can verify all the previous days chart, and previous day buy got activated, all the targets hit. So in this situation, where the buy got activated, this candle we cannot say this is a red candle. This candle has closed above but high is not broken, and this candle has closed above our buy entry and high is broken. So here our buy entry got activated and targets hit where at 944, and again here again closed above and high of that candle is broken, we are getting targets. So this entry at 956 is not valid. Why? See that candle, it is having full powerful bearish candle and closes below the entry point. So that is why this is not valid. And previous day, you can go previous day, previous day. First buy only got activated. When it is activated, this entry at 11:30 is not valid. As I told you, the green candle is not closed above the buy entry. So this entry is invalid. This entry also not valid. And here we are getting the valid entry candles confirmation at 11:59. 11:59 candle has closed above the entry point and high of the candle is broken. Now we can go for the entry and all the targets has been achieved. You may ask you one question, sir, how to catch all the big movement? So it is not possible because no one can predict the market entirely. What you can do, take 3 lots or 1 lot as per your capital and as per your risk as per appetite. Once first target is hit, keep the stop loss to cost to cost. Once second target is hit, keep the stop loss to first target. Once third target is hit, exit from the market. In this way, you can aim for the more profit. So always protect your capital, always protect your gained profit also. So both the things you have to follow. So this is what happened previous days. And if you want to know what happened previous days, that also possible because our indicator is not a repainting indicator. It is always will show you the truth only. It is always will show you the truth point. See here, look at this. So here also we missed the buy entry. Or at how many points? The low made was 25,818 and our entry point is 25,811. So 7 points we missed for the entry. So if you are considering the next candle, it is well and good. 7 points is missed. How can I take, sir? If you are missing, that is also well and good. So if you are missed, what you will be doing? You will be waiting for the entry here. So this candle only closed above the buy zone and you will be waiting for the high of that candle is broken. It is not broken. Then this candle is broken, is closed above and high is broken. So we will be taking the buy entry. After taking the buy entry, we will be waiting for the target, but target has not hit. Okay, SL hit. And here, this candle has closed below the sell zone and low of the candle is broken. We will be going for the sell entry. If you look at the sell entry, all the targets have been achieved. So this is the BT of our indicator. Once buy is activated, we will be waiting for the buy targets. If SL hit, we will be going for the second sell. Similarly, if sell activated, we will be waiting for the sell targets. If SL hit, we will be reversing the trade to second buy. That's very simple. Buy side SL hit, we are getting the targets in the second sell. If sell side SL hit, we will be getting the targets in the second buy. You can ask me, sir, both side targets will hit, both side SL will hit. Yes, both side sometimes targets will hit, both side rarely SL also will get hit. So this also will happen. So that's why I'm telling, don't calculate the profit or loss every trade wise. Calculate the profit and loss monthly as a businessman. Okay. If you are doing all these things, you will be able to get profitable trades in this market. And previous day, you can see this is the yesterday's now. This day you can see here sell activated, all the targets hit, again buy activated, first target hit, again buy activated, all the targets hit. So you can verify all the previous trades, what has happened, when it is happened, what is the method we are following, all those things you can follow. See, I'm showing you all this in just 1 minute time frame. If you are going for little more higher time frame, that is also good. It is up to you. Our indicator is not changing the values or the supply zone or demand zone based on the time frame. Time frame is nothing. time frame is nothing, only the zone is important, only the zone is important. So this is about our MST iCore. I will also show you the bank nifty, which I promised you to explain. So yesterday what has happened in the bank nifty? See, yesterday buy market has come down to buy side only, and this candle, it is not the valid candle for the buy entry, so we will not be going for the entry. And here this candle has not closed below our zone. Most of the body size is inside the zone, we will be avoiding. And here also same thing, this candle has given the confirmation but high is not broken. This candle has given the confirmation, this candle, and first target hit. Again this candle has given the confirmation and almost two targets hit. Once again buy activated, this candle, the first target hit. Again this candle has given confirmation, this candle at 11:28, again targets hit. Once again it has come down and all the targets hit. See here. So this is how our targets are hitting every day. If you are practicing this, you will teach me. You will teach me, sir, if you follow this technique with this indicator, you will get more money. So it will be supporting you, it will be a moral supporter for you, that when to enter, when not to enter. When to enter, when not to enter, where to book the profit, where to exit. All those things this indicator will be telling you. So to finalize the video, I will tell you, to conclude the video, I will tell you, don't simply enter into the market, have a system. Follow one system. Buy zone, sell zone. If the market is coming down to the buy zone, wait for one candle to close above and high of the candle is broken, then go for the reversal entry. The reversal entry also you can take at the closing point of the breaking candle. Okay. This is how we have to make the trade. This is about the MST iCore indicator. This is not one night rich making indicator. This will give a support. It will show you a very easiest method of trading. Easiest method of trading. Where to enter, where to exit, where to book. Only these three things it will say. If you are in loss, what we have to do, that also it will teach you. That is we are calling as reversal entry. So that is the ultimate powerful indicator you are getting at 90% discount. No other indicators you will be getting, and you will not getting the entry point so accurately how this indicator is giving from anyone else in the world. And one more plus point is this indicator is working for all the markets irrespective of the time zone. If you are in abroad also, you can use this indicator for that particular country scripts. So all this possible, and everything we have made it automated. The only thing is the entry exit is manual. All other things are automated. Hope this is clear. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.